Hey y'all! What we have here is a Sig Sauer P365. It's a compact 9mm pistol for concealed carry. It has a 10 round magazine. That's one of the things that makes it unique is its size and the fact that it's got a 10 round flush fit magazine in a gun that's about the size of a Glock 43. One of the problems with a lot of these compact pistols is that the magazines are fairly hard to load. So when you put some rounds in, uh, because the magazine is so small, it's got a really powerful spring, and once you get more than 3 or 4 rounds in, the spring gets compressed and it gets harder and harder to load. These are not fun to load. And typically, by hand, you can't even get the 10th round into the magazine. You can see it's... Alright, I'm not even going to bother trying. I think I've got... I can typically get about 8 rounds, 9 rounds in if I'm good. The 10th round is pretty much impossible. This here is called an UpLula, and this is supposed to help you load your rounds into the magazine. So what you do is you place it over the magazine, and this particular one, they make different ones. There's only a few of them. This one will work from on all double stacks between 9mm and 45 ACP. Like I said, these are 9mm, so it should work fine. This is a double stack magazine, but you'll see one of the issues with this particular magazine using this UpLula. But that's how it works. You just push down, put in the magazine, and number 10, and that's it. It makes it way easier. So one of the things, I don't know if you noticed, is the magazine fits really loose in here because it is a universal magazine loader. If you're trying to do it quickly, you could miss. You can put pressure on the bullet instead of on the casing, which will get the bullet jammed in there because the follower that's on top of the spring will wind up getting stuck, and that's no good. But let me show you something that I printed out on my 3D printer. So this is an object I downloaded from Thingiverse specific to the P365 magazine, and it's designed to fit into the UpLula, and it's basically just a spacer to make it more snug for the magazine. It's got a little tab here so that all you have to do is pop it in there. It's in there really well. It's not going to move. And I'll show you how it works a little bit better with this in it than without it. The other thing the UpLula has is a little round stripper. So if you want to quickly take the rounds out of your magazine, it's pretty easy to do that. So let me go ahead and line the bullets up, and I will show you with the Maglula how quickly you can get these rounds. Now, the one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to use it before you put a round in, because most of these followers and these magazines are polymer, and you'll gouge them because this thing that depresses the round is made out of steel. So let me go ahead and just put in the first round, which is the first round's pretty straightforward and easy. And then here we go. boom, 10 rounds, very easy. This works really well out on a shooting range because you're not spending half your time reloading your magazines. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.